Picture this. You're standing in the heart of Tokyo, surrounded by towering skyscrapers, ancient temples, and more ramen shops than you can count. The energy is electric, the sights are unforgettable, and the food, well, let's just say your taste buds are about to throw a party. But here's the kicker. You didn't spend weeks planning this trip. Nope. You let AI do the heavy lifting. Sounds like a dream, right? Welcome to Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Stick around, because today we're getting into how you can use AI itinerary tools to plan the ultimate Tokyo adventure without breaking a sweat. Oh, and don't worry, I'll even throw in a few tips on where to find the best sushi. You're welcome. Now I know what you're thinking. AI, really? Can it actually plan a trip better than I can? Short answer, yes. Long answer, oh, absolutely. From booking flights to finding hidden gems, AI tools are revolutionizing the way we travel. And Tokyo, it's the perfect place to put them to the test. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, let's explore how AI can turn your Tokyo dreams into reality. Planning a trip can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Flights, hotels, attractions, food, and don't even get me started on time zones. It's a lot. But here's the thing. AI itinerary tools are like having a personal travel assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and bonus, doesn't charge you for overtime. These tools can analyze your preferences, crunch data from millions of travelers, and spit out a customized itinerary faster than you can say konnichiwa. Did you know that Tokyo's public transport system is so efficient that trains are often on time to the second? That's right, down to the second. But navigating it can still be overwhelming, especially if you're a first-time visitor. AI tools can help you figure out the best routes, suggest the right train passes, and even warn you about delays. And let's be honest, trying to plan a trip without AI is like trying to eat ramen with a fork. Messy, frustrating, and you'll probably end up with soup on your shirt. But here's the real kicker. AI doesn't just save you time, it saves you stress. Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch sipping coffee, and in just a few minutes you've got a full itinerary tailored to your interests. No more endless scrolling through travel blogs or arguing with your travel buddy about what to do next. AI does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the fun part, dreaming about your trip. So, where do you start? With the right tool, of course. There are tons of AI-powered apps out there, but let's focus on a few favorites. ChatGPT is like your Swiss Army knife of travel planning. You can ask it anything, from what's the best time to visit Tokyo, to can you plan a 5-day itinerary for a foodie who loves history and hates crowds? And boom, it delivers. But if you're more of a visual planner, Wanderlog is your go-to. It lets you map out your itinerary with pins, notes, and even photos. You can drag and drop activities, add travel times, and even budget for each day. It's like playing SimCity, but for your trip. And for seamless integration with your Gmail, Google Travel is a lifesaver. It automatically pulls your flight and hotel confirmations and organizes them in one place. Here's a fun fact. Tokyo has over 160,000 restaurants, more than any other city in the world. That's a lot of options. And AI tools can help you narrow it down based on your preferences. Love sushi? It'll point you to the freshest spots. Craving ramen? It'll find the best bowls in town. And if you're feeling adventurous, ask for recommendations off the beaten path. Who knows? You might stumble upon a hidden izakaya that serves the best yakitori you've ever tasted. Pro tip, use AI tools to learn a few basic Japanese phrases before your trip. Trust me, saying arigato or thank you in Japanese will earn you smiles and maybe even a free dessert. And if you're really brave, try oishi, delicious. It's the ultimate compliment for any chef. Now let's get down to business. Tokyo is massive, and trying to see it all in one trip is like trying to eat an entire sushi boat by yourself. Ambitious, but not advisable. That's where AI comes in. Start by inputting your travel dates, budget, and interests. Love tech? Akihabara is your playground. More of a history buff? Asakusa's ancient temples are calling your name. Here's a sample 5-day itinerary generated by AI. Day 1. Explore Shibuya and Harajuku for shopping and people watching. Day 2, dive into Asakusa and Ueno for history and culture. Day 3, geek out in Akihabara and Odaiba. Day 4, take a day trip to Nikko or Hakone for nature and hot springs. And Day 5, wrap up with a food tour in Tsukiji and Ginza. Did you know that Tokyo's Tsukiji fish market sells over 2,000 tons of seafood daily? That's a lot of sushi. AI tools can help you snag a spot at the famous tuna auction or find the freshest sushi nearby. And if your itinerary doesn't include at least one cat cafe, are you even doing Tokyo right? But here's the best part. AI tools can optimize your schedule to minimize travel time. For example, it'll group activities in the same neighborhood so you're not zigzagging across the city like a lost Pokemon trainer. And if you're feeling adventurous, ask for recommendations off the beaten path. Who knows, you might stumble upon a hidden izakaya that serves the best yakitori you've ever tasted. Once your itinerary is set, it's time to book. AI tools can help you find the best deals on flights and hotels, and even suggest alternatives if your first choice is out of budget. For example, Google Travel's price tracking feature will notify you when prices drop, so you can snag that dream hotel without selling a kidney. And don't forget about transportation. Tokyo's train system is a marvel of efficiency, but it can be overwhelming for first-timers. Apps like Navitime or Japan Travel can help you navigate the subway like a pro. Just remember, if you miss your train, don't panic. There's always another one coming, usually in like 2 minutes. Here's a fun fact. Tokyo's Haneda Airport was voted the cleanest in the world. AI tools can help you choose the best airport and navigate it like a pro. And if you're staying near a major train station, you'll have easy access to the city. Because dragging your suitcase through Tokyo's streets is not the adventure you signed up for. Here's where AI really shines. It's not just for planning. It's your best friend during the trip. Staring at a menu in Japanese? Google Translate can tell you what it says. Need directions? AI-powered maps have got your back. And if the weather takes a turn, your app will suggest indoor activities faster than you can say AM. That's rain in Japanese, by the way. Fun fact, Tokyo has over 100 Michelin-starred restaurants, more than any other city. AI tools can help you snag a reservation at one. And if you get lost, don't panic. Just follow the smell of fresh ramen. It's like a homing beacon for hungry travelers. Last but not least, don't forget to document your trip. AI-powered photo apps like Google Photos can automatically organize your pics and even create highlight reels. And if you're feeling fancy, use an AI editing tool to make your shots Insta-worthy. Because let's be honest, if you didn't post it, did it even happen? Here's a quirky Tokyo fact. The city has vending machines for everything, from hot meals to umbrellas. AI tools can help you find the most photogenic ones for your feed. And if you're feeling extra, use AI to create a travel journal or blog post about your trip, because your friends definitely want to see 500 photos of your sushi dinner. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to exploring Tokyo with AI itinerary tools. From planning to navigating to capturing memories, AI can make your trip smoother, smarter, and way more fun. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Tokyo adventure today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to Atlas IQ for more tech-savvy travel tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got a favorite AI travel tool or a Tokyo hidden gem? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Atlas IQ, where innovation meets exploration. Until next time, happy travels. See you on our next adventure together.